How to organize your child's artwork. As I write this post, a piece of artwork sits 6 feet from me. It's dated 1965. The artist? Well, it's the first grade version of Frank Buck. And to see it, come over to this week's blog post at the following address, bit.ly/FrankBuck115. Again, bit.ly/FrankBuck115. All of that's in lowercase. If you're having trouble figuring it out, it's a Christmas tree, the big one that is, and it has little helper trees around it. Just use your imagination. So what's the point? Well, there are 3 of them. Number 1, a child's artwork is a valuable thing, and it's not something you want to throw away. This Christmas tree, crude as it is, was special to my parents. It was something I made as a young child, and today it's special to me because it was special to them. Number 2, children produce lots of artwork. School's about to start, and if you have young children, watch the artwork start to accumulate. And number 3, after a while the volume becomes overwhelming. The refrigerator door can only hold so much. Wall space is finite. You hate to relegate a child's art to boxes stored in the attic, but you're out of room. It's a shining example of having too much of a good thing. Well, here are 3 suggestions for how to celebrate your child's artwork. First, make placemats. Take a collection of your child's artwork to a local office supply store. Have the printing department laminate each piece for you. You have instant placemats. You know, we all need placemats. Plus, who wants to look at the same ones week after week? So a large stack stores in a small place. Each week, rotate them and bring out a whole new set. Guess who else would love to have some placemats? Grandparents. Like you, they love your child's artwork. And like you, they're also out of wall space because you see, they have a lot of your old artwork from when you were that age. When your child visits Grandma, watch their faces light up at the sight of their creation on the kitchen table as placemats. Second suggestion, digitize it. While wall space is finite, digital storage is limitless and cheap. Take a photo of each new piece of artwork as it arrives at home. Periodically, open a new PowerPoint presentation or Google Slides presentation. Start dragging the photos into that presentation, 1 picture per slide. In the transition menu, set the slides to change automatically after a certain number of seconds. Check the box to apply that transition to all slides. You can even import some background music. Over in the blog post for this week, you will find a link to some public domain music that you can download free of charge and import into those presentations. Whenever you want to enjoy artwork, pull up the PowerPoint and play the slideshow. And if you're able to project the video to your television, you could also play the presentation there. If you also save that file as PowerPoint show in addition to PowerPoint presentation, then you can send that show to anyone. They don't have to have PowerPoint to run the show. It starts to play automatically as soon as they double-click the file. And see, now you have another great gift idea that works any time of the year. And then third, why not make a photo album, a hard copy photo album? If you use Google Photos, you can create an album with just a few clicks. New to Google Photos? Well, over on the blog, I give you a link to a post that's going to walk you through how to get started. You see, for years, I felt my photos weren't nearly as well organized as other elements of my life, but that all changed with Google Photos. Inside Google Photos, look for the Photo Books icon in the left-hand pane. If you've already created an album for the artwork, you can select Start from an Album. But if you're like most people, your photos are going to be all over the place in Google Photos, but that's no problem. Just scroll down and choose Start a New Book. Click on each photo that you want, and a single book is going to hold up to 100 photos. So your favorite 100 photos in a single book. And of course, you can go back and make multiple books. Drag the pictures around in the book to rearrange them. Click on any page to add a caption. And the entire process is surprisingly easy. When you're happy with the album, placing an order is very intuitive. Gone are the days of having 100 pieces of your child's artwork in a box stuck in the attic. Instead, you'll have a beautiful photo book containing those 100. It'll be on the coffee table for everyone to enjoy. And in time, you're going to have more than just one because it's so easy to do. Just imagine 5 photo books on the coffee table. That's manageable. Those 5 just took the place of 500 pieces of artwork. The artwork is safely digitized and is also preserved in a hard copy photo book. Now it's easier to let go of the original pieces of paper. Now it's your turn. One of the great things about a blog is that it allows the reader to share insights. I've given you 3 ideas, but what extra ones do you have? Come over to the blog post and share them in the comments. If you think others would enjoy what you've read, share the post. Click the tweetable that you see in the blog post. Click the social sharing icons below the post. Put them on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, or Pinterest. This has been Frank Buck. Thanks for listening. Now go and have the time of your life.